Hi guys, now I'm going to talk about the storms reported today in the USA. We had 10 tornadoes today in the southeast of the US. We had 10 tornadoes in North Carolina and South Carolina. Reported 10 tornadoes today. Hail, we got 4 hail. Wind gust 2 reported. Wind damage 108 wind damage today in the USA. Most of those winds west or on the southeast did be because of the big storms. This is a radar right now. We're seeing strong storms moving through North Carolina, South Carolina, west of Georgia, moving right now close to Savannah, and we have storms and lightning strikes either moving through Florida Panhandle, and these storms will move towards Jacksonville, Palm Coast, Waynesville. So you guys are on alert to see strong thunderstorms. These lines could even reach Spring Hill, Tampa, and even Orlando by tonight. So watch out for these storms. North Carolina, Wilmington will see a lot of rain, heavy rain right now. Virginia Beach, Ridgemont in Virginia, Washington DC, light rain right now. New York is not raining, but we guys will see rain today either for you guys. We have the alert here of tornado watch still for the part of South Carolina, west of Georgia, and in Florida. Jacksonville is under that tornado watch, and we have on Daytona Beach, Palm Beach, wind advisory here for you guys. South winds at 20 to 25 miles per hour, gusting to 35 to 40 miles per hour. So you guys will still be on alert for strong winds until 1 a.m. today. Northeast here in Virginia, you guys are under flood watch is in effect until 12 p.m. tomorrow. So watch out for that. Northeast are still under winter storm watch for you guys until Saturday, midnight Saturday. We're still under those winter storm warning. 3 to 5 inches of snow possible tonight through Friday. An additional ice accumulation up to 1/10 and an inch possible. Winds could gust as high as 40 miles per hour Friday afternoon. So this is the weather right now. In the USA, we still have severe storms moving through the southeast. You can see lightning strikes, a lot of lightning strikes right now in Florida. Jacksonville is already on that alert to see heavy thunderstorms tonight. Savannah is already raining. Charleston, same thing. And South Carolina are under those alerts. So be careful guys as you guys going to sleep tonight. You guys will see thunderstorms and strong lightning strikes. Right now we had 10 tornadoes so far today. We could even have more tornadoes. I think with 2 or 3 more tornadoes until tomorrow. So watch out for that. Guys, watch for those strong thunderstorms until tonight.